You'll be surprised by the results if you try this powerful cleaning hack. Simply take your regular dish soap bottle and add a small amount of turmeric into it. Shake the bottle well so the turmeric mixes properly with the soap. Turmeric has natural degreasing properties, making it great for cutting through oil and stubborn stains. Once your mixture is ready, use it to clean greasy kitchen items like the stove. Apply it on the stove surface and scrub gently. You'll notice the grease lifting off easily. This homemade cleaner also works great on oily utensils and dishes. Not only that, but you can also use it to clean greasy kitchen cabinets and counters.